Welcome back, all of you, and I'd like to welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to analyze one Japanese company, okay? Company from Japan. Okay, yesterday we have analyzed Durkin industry. Now we have to analyze this uh, Murata manufacturing group, okay? We are going to see up to one day the stock price increased by 2.87, 5 day 1.75, 1 month 14.46, 6 month 18.45, year to date 14.45, 1 year 21.59, 5 year 102.57, all time high 1.38. Upcoming report earnings July 31, report period Q1 2024, EPS 29.26, revenue 396.66 billion JPY, market cap 6.15 trillion, dividend 1.65, price to earning ratio 34, basic EPS 96, revenue 1.64, share float 1.47, beta 0.80, manufacturing, electronic technology, electronic production equipment, Nakao Gayo, Murita Manufacturing, Limited engage in the research, production, and sale of electronic device made from the ceramic. It operates through the following segment: component modules and other. The component division offer multi-level ceramic capacitors, saw surface, acoustic wave filter, ceramic resonator, pillow piezoelectric sensor, ceramic filter, piezoelectric buzzer, short range wireless communication module, Bluetooth modules and other. The module segment provide the communication modules, power supply, and multi-layer ceramic device connector, isolator, circuit modulars, EMI, electromagnetic interface, suppression filter, inductor, sensors, and lithium-ion battery. The other segment handles employee welfare, staffing, education, and training. The facility maintenance service, including operational software for affiliate. The company was founded by Akio Morita in October 1944 and headquarters in Nagoya, Japan. Revenue 1.53, net income 183, net margin 11.93, revenue 1.63, net income 237, net margin 14, revenue 1.81, net income 314, 17, 1.69, 243, 14, 1.64, 180, 11, revenue 1.64, COGS minus 1.04, gross profit 603, operating expenses minus 344, operating income 259, out non-operating income expenses minus 20, taxes and other minus 58, net income 180, debt level 236, 64, 302, 182, 173, 407, 142, 270, 512, debt 155, free cash flow 93, cash and equivalent 469, debt 105, free cash flow 273, cash and equivalent 622, actual 2123, 117, actual 163,160, actual 133, estimate 127, actual 95, 166, 136, and forecast we are going to forecast is history of maximum 9.99%, average 2.5 for current 336 for minimum 3000 minus 10.02, and technical indicator. Looking over a technical indicator, RSI 65, stochastic 87, commodity 188, average directional 13, awesome oscillator 280, momentum 630, MACD 154, stochastic 93, Williams minus 5, full bear 668, ultimate 63, exponential 30232977288884222795 2021 support third 950 second 1837 third 2415 pivot 2724 resistance 3302 second 3611 third 4498 18372176 2724 3063 3272 Carmelia 2749 28302912272430743156 3237 Woody 1509 18282396 2715 328436 024171 2569 2801 3457, and we are going to see it on super chart. Okay, analyzing it on the basis of super chart, you can see here this accumulation and distribution curve shows that this stock is highly accumulated. Okay, and we will move it towards this all-time high chart trend, so it will be easier. So at the top here will be its resistance. All of you have knowledge about it, and at the bottom level here will be its support, and we'll try to predict its volume. Okay, okay, and here will be a lot of volume came. Green volume indicate the green increasing price, and this stock is also accumulated. Okay, we'll close this. Muruta manufacturing.